Good afternoon. I'm Chris McEntee. I'm the CEO and Executive Director of the American Geophysical Union. And it is really, really always my honor every year to be able to open the presentations you're going to see from these amazing young students who are really at the forefront of not only amazing scientific discoveries and also using data and visualization techniques to make it so compelling for the scientific community, but even broader in telling the story of science and wonderment. It's also my particular honor this year because through this long partnership we've had for NASA to sponsor this competition, we actually are announcing a new name in honor of the director who recently retired as the director of the Earth Sciences Division of NASA, and has always been a strong supporter of NASA science, but in particularly making sure the next generation has opportunities. So with that, I would like to announce and ask you to applaud that we have a new name. It's the AGU Michael Freilich Student Visualization Competition Program, sponsored by NASA. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Thomas Zurbuchen of NASA, who's going to talk to us about the contest winners as we call them up here. Call this amazing group. He's going to call them by name, and then we'll give them their gifts, but also, more importantly, we won't take too long because we know you're here to see their amazing science and their work.
Thanks so much, Chris. I couldn't be more excited to be here with naming this award that I feel is so important after a man who has been an inspiration for all of us because of the fact that he recognizes, of course, the excitement of science, but also recognizes that science is not done until we tell it. Science is not done until we explain it to others. And there's nobody who was more engaged during his time when he was with us at NASA at the Hyperwall. There's nobody who was more engaged here than our friend Mike Freilich. So I couldn't think of a better name for this visualization challenge. Thanks so much. We also know, of course, and Mike has told all of us that he's struggling with his health. He wanted to be here today and he cannot be here because of his health. So whatever you do, send his thoughts, send your prayers for a man that is really close to all of us, somebody we look up to. So please do that because of his health challenge that he has right now. Thanks for that as well. And what I want to do is just tell you, of course, this is the fourth such challenge, and the visualization and storytelling competition has a series of entrants, and I'm really excited right now to announce the winners here. The winners that you see the names behind me. I'm going to give you the name. Have the winner come up here. I'll tell you what that particular person did. Then I'll ask him to stay on stage because we want to take a group picture afterwards, okay? And the only other thing I would recommend is that you either take the badge off or give it to somebody at the bottom of the stairs. You always wonder on these pictures, why did I keep that badge on, right? So I'm going to start with Jacob Austin. Join us up here in GPU acceleration and machine learning and visualization of NASA Earth science data. Congratulations, Jacob. And here's the bag with all kinds of goodies. Yeah, just go over there on the other side. Thanks so much. Really exciting. Now, the next winner is Gigi Pavur. I know Gigi because she actually worked as an intern at NASA headquarters. Those of you who are still in the age of interns, consider that. Gigi did an amazing job with Earth science. She did using NASA Earth Observatory to map landslide susceptibility and exposure in the Dominican Republic. Congratulations, Gigi. Congratulations. Here's your bag. Wear it with pride. The next winner is Eleanor Lutz. Eleanor, join us up here. Thanks so much. On visualization open astronomy data with open source code. Congratulations, Eleanor. Here's the bag. Congratulations. And the fourth winner is Wenwing Wu. Join us up here, Wenwing. Thanks. Towards a better understanding of hydrological extremes for hurricane resilient healthcare infrastructure modeling. Congratulations for that. Here's your bag. Here we go. So join us. Looks like the first grade. The kids really excited about bags. So.
Come this way so we can get the sign. Okay?
All right, let's get the sign. Congratulations for Mike.